Hi, welcome to the Organization Root Administrator Timesheets Approval video session. Timesheets Approval is a sub-menu item under Timesheet Management menu item. The Timesheet Approval user interface is a dashboard which provides a complete view of all the timesheets in the approval process to the Organization Root administrators. Click on Timesheet Approval sub-menu item to get to the user interface for Timesheets Submission Dashboard. As explained earlier, upon submission of a timesheet, the timesheet state gets changed to submitted or resubmitted, and the timesheet appears in the designated approver's portal for approval. In this node, Staffing Organization Root Administrator can see all the timesheets of the organization in submitted or resubmitted state, which are awaiting approval. Let me elaborate a little bit on designated approver. For the timesheets related to client project deployments, the corresponding client administrator becomes the designated approver. For the timesheets related to placement agent deployments, the corresponding placement agent administrator becomes the designated approver. For the timesheets related to organizations' internal projects, there could be one or multiple designated approvers, depending on the timesheet approval hierarchy levels, parameter value, and the sequence of approvers as per the subject resources reporting hierarchy. If for an internal project timesheet, there are multiple designated approvers, unless all the approvers are approving the timesheet approval is not considered complete and the timesheet remains visible in this node. If any designated approver rejects the timesheet, it goes back to the corresponding resource for resubmission and the timesheet disappears from the node. On the other side, upon approval, the timesheet disappears from this node also. Click on Action Trail link to get to the user interface. As you see, the top portion provides all the details about the timesheet. Click on Timesheet Items accordion link to see the timesheet items for day-wise work and leave time entry. Notice the working hours entry by the resource. Click on the Timesheet Approvers and Approval Status accordion link to see the approver's details including approval status, approval date, etc. As the timesheet is not yet approved, approval status shows open. Click on the Timesheet Approval Actions accordion link to see the actions trail on the timesheet so far. As the resource has submitted timesheet, you see the corresponding record in the trail only. Now, find two buttons, Proxy Approval and Proxy Rejection. Due to the unavailability of the approver, WFMA empowers Organization Root Administrator to approve or reject a timesheet as proxy for the designated approver. Once the Root Administrator approves or rejects, the timesheet follows the normal workflow and the timesheet disappears from the node. Thank you. See you in the next video.